Hi there, this is Julie Holmes, the creator and co-founder of Hey Mike and Just Innovate. And this is just a quick tutorial to show you how to pair your Hey Mike. You're going to need to pair your Hey Mike before you do anything. That includes using any app. So regardless of what app you want to use, whether you want to make videos, whether you want to do voice recording, whether you want to do captioning or capture notes, whatever it is, you're going to need to pair it first. So we're using an iPhone to demonstrate. We're just going to go into our settings. And when we're in our settings, we're going to go to the Bluetooth. And I'm going to take my Hey Mike and I'm going to press and hold the central button. And when I press and hold the central button, I'll get a red flashing light on my Hey Mike. And that will tell me that it's gone into pairing mode. So now if I look, there's my red flashing light. So now if I look at my devices, under other devices, kind of waiting to be paired is Hey Mike. So I'm going to tap on Hey Mike. And when I do that, it's going to change the pairing light from a flashing red to a slow blue. And that will tell me that it's been paired. So now when I come back out of my phone, I'm ready to go on to whatever the next step might be. I know that I'm paired. Remember, if you're having problems pairing your device, then try turning off your Bluetooth and turn it back on again. Forget all of your Hey Mike devices and then try to repair again. Bluetooth technology is amazing, but it can be a little squirrely sometimes. So we want to be a bit careful with it. And then last but not least, make sure that if you're having trouble connecting your Hey Mike to a device, make sure that you haven't previously paired it with another device. Hey Mike is a really smart little cookie, and it tries to remember the last place you used it, and it holds on to that with both hands. So you want to make sure that you unpair it and forget it from any other device, because Hey Mike can only work with one of your devices at a time. Great. Now after you have gotten everything paired, you're ready to move on to whatever your next app may be. We'll see you there.